Welcome to the first video in our new series, Inside Cope. Join us as we take a look inside one of our mini CNC machines here at Cope Plastics. The world of CNC machining has come a long way in the last 20 years, and today we're going to see a fraction of what the possibilities are. Now, currently we're inside one of our Mazak big bore lathes. This machine can run rod and tube material that ranges from 4 to 7 inches in diameter. The job you are seeing running is only utilizing 4 of the 12 possible tool positions that are available. This machine is also live tool capable and has an automatic tail stock to support our extra long parts when needed. Now that you know more about the machine, let's dive into the job. The material that is running is nylon, and it's just one of the many diverse types that we work with. In this cycle, the machine is making 5 parts at a time by turning the outer diameter for all 5 parts and then boring the inner diameter. The machine then parts off all 5 parts, and the cycle is repeated until the tube is completed. If a job is running well, you can run as many parts as you want without stopping until the tube is finished. That can be anywhere from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Did you enjoy being a fly on the wall? If so, join us next month as we take you inside more of our CNC machining.